Today we are going to be learning how to play We Wish You a Merry Christmas in the key of C. But not only that, I'm going to be teaching you about ternary form and how to use the fermata. So let's get started. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The chords we're going to use today are C, F, A minor, two different kinds of G. We'll use G7, G major, and also D7. This song is in ternary form, and what that means is that there are three sections: an A section, then a B section, and then an A section. So once we learn the A section, you will have 2/3 of this song already learned. Here's the A section. This song starts with C major. We wish you a merry, go to F, Christmas, now to D7. We wish you a merry, now to G7, Christmas. And I'm going to stop there for a minute and show you something. When you play D7, you might know that you only need 2 fingers to play D7, but I left this finger down. It doesn't matter because the other finger is covering that same string, but it keeps my hand in a great place to transition to G7. See, I don't even have to lift it up. I can just leave it there. So that's just one little trick for making your chords pass a little bit easier. So let's try that again. We start with C. We wish you a merry, then Christmas. Now here's our D7. We wish you a merry. Now we're going to go to G7, Christmas, and then back to C. We wish you a merry. This is a little tricky. We're going to go F, D on the word Christmas. Christmas. Try that again. Christmas. Now here is where I'm going to put a fermata. And that allows you to kind of reset really quickly to G7. Gives you a little bit more time. And a Happy New Year. All right, let's do that again at regular time. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We're going to start on C for the B section. Glad tidings we, G, bring, now A minor, to you and your kin. Now to C. Glad tidings for Christmas. Now to F. And a Happy New Year. Let's put that all together. Glad tidings we bring to you and your kin. Glad tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. So the strumming pattern is very simple again. It's just down, down, up, down, up, down, up. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Glad tidings we bring to you and your kin. Glad tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you would like to learn some more Christmas songs for the ukulele, just check out this playlist right over here. But I'm also going to post a video about ternary form so that you can learn more about that too. See you next time. God bless.